Good morning, students. Today, I'm discussing a few more programs of events. So you can see the first program. In this, write a program to input the age of a person and the price of a product, then gives the discount on the basis of following conditions. So what you have to do, you have to enter the age of a person and the price of a product. This we will take as your user input. Now you can see the conditions. Discount if age is greater than 60. Discount are as follows: 10% on the price one which are lying between 1 to 1000, 20% for the price lying between 1001 to 2000, 30% for price lying between 2001 to 5000, 40% 5000 and above. And for age less than equal to 60, the discount has been changed but the price is same. Now you can see how we will going to start this program. First we will import your package. Import java.util.asterisk. Now I have taken class name as your check. Now public static void main string args. Now variable declaration I will do integer a for age, d variable I have taken for discount, p variable I have taken for price, and ad variable I have taken after discount. Now I have initialized d as your 0 over here. You can write comments also. Declaration of variable, here you can write initialization. Now I have taken scanner class. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, and I have taken two variables user input, a and p. A is your age, p is your price. Now next is I have applied if condition. If a is less than is equal to 60, first we will check for this condition. If a is less than is equal to 60 and price is this, then what will going to happen? How discount will be calculated on the basis of age less than is equal to 60. Now if age is less than is equal to 60, if the condition is true, it will check if price is greater than is equal to 1 and price is less than is equal to 1000. You can see for price 1 to 1000 and age less than is equal to 60, discount is your 5%. So see how we will do. Discount is equal to price into 5 upon 100. 5% of price we will calculate. This will be your discount offered on the product for age less than is equal to 60. Now else if price lies between your greater than is equal to 101 and less than is equal to 2000. Now discount offered is your on price is your 12%. Now price into 12 upon 100. Now else if price greater than is equal to 2001 and price less than is equal to 5000, your discount offered on product is your 18%. Now price multiply 18 upon 100, this will be your discount. Now if price is greater than 5000, now discount will be your 25%, p into 25 upon 100. Now we will close this bracket of if which I have opened over here. This bracket has been now closed over here. Now for next condition. Now I will calculate the discount on price for age greater than 60. Now if age is greater than 60, your price is greater than is equal to 1 and price less than is equal to 1000. Now discount offered is your 10% on the price. It is very simple to calculate discount, p into 10 upon 100. This will be your discount. Now else if p greater than is equal to 1001 and then p less than is equal to 2000, your discount offered is your 20% according to the following condition mentioned above. Now else if p greater than is equal to 2001 and then p less than is equal to 5000, your discount offered is P into 30 upon 100. Now else if P greater than is equal to 5000, your discount offered is P asterisk 40 upon 100. Now we will close this if bracket, else if bracket here. This bracket has been closed over here. Now after discount, price minus discount. Now system.out.println after discount plus AD. AD I have taken. Now let's say I have taken age is equal to 62 and your price is equal to 800. These are your user input. I have inputted the value, I have taken the value, these values. Now you can see the condition. If age is greater than 60 and price lies between your 1 and 1000, this condition is true. So what will happen? Discount is price into 10 upon 100. So here I have done discount is equal to 800 is your price into 10 upon 100. Now after calculation you will get 80 as your discount. Now it will move here because other conditions are false. So it will just jump to this statement, AD is equal to P minus D. So AD is equal to your price is 800 and your discount is 80, and after subtracting, after discount value will be your 720. So what is the statement it is printing? After discount is equal to AD, the value in AD is 720, so it will print 720. Thank you students.